Hey guys, it's US Storms and Sirens. Today we're getting some 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts in Frisco today. I know that sounds kind of crazy and kind of disruptive, but 40-mile-an-hour winds can knock off small limbs, damage some outdoor items. And we're just gonna walk around the house, just showing the wind and see what happens here. Look at my tree. It's blowing pretty good. This stupid spiky grass. I don't know what it's called. Wow. These ones are kind of strong today. I just knocked the top off. So here's my dead tree, as you can see. It's still in the ground. It's still dying. Hasn't died yet. It's still, still looks the same. It's going to look like that for a while. I don't see any trees coming up, but there's that sweet gum over there. It's a pretty big sweet gum as well. Oh my gosh, look at that Chinese over there. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at my tree. It's blowing good. Oh, shut up. Look at that oak. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Sorry about that. My dad's just being weird. My dad's just being weird. Oh my gosh. Here it comes, guys. It's coming. Dude, my tree is going crazy right now. That was a big gust. Winds could possibly get up to 45, I'm not sure, but this has to be 45-mile-an-hour winds. But this is definitely like 42. Oh my gosh, my tree is going crazy. Luckily, I secured it down. go over to the mulberry. Look at my front yard over there. Another big gust is coming. Let's go to my dead tree real quick. This is crazy. Wow. Look at the box that just blew under my trampoline. We have some firewood. Wow. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and go in the front yard, so I will see y'all in a moment. Oh my gosh. Well, there's your swishing noise already. Alright guys, we're back out here in the front. There goes a squirrel. A squirrel ran away. Run for your life, squirrel. Yeah, these ones are getting stronger. My oak tree has all of its leaves back and they have reached their maximum size. My oak on holly's going pretty good as well. My oak tree's going crazy. Crazy, isn't it? There's a Bradford pear growing. Man, my oak on holly's going everywhere. Man, these trees are getting out of control. This branch fell off, so I just placed it here for now. There's a tree growing right here. It looks like an oak tree. An oak tree. I'm just gonna keep that. I'm gonna keep it growing. Here's another oak tree. I'm gonna pull this one up because I want it to grow where that other oak is. I'm not allowed to get in the trees right now because it's hot and it's windy. Man, the tops are really blowing. On my oak tree, the top is really blowing. There's another oak tree growing right there. I'm just gonna pick this one up. Some branches like fell over. Oh my gosh. Did you guys hear my Yelp on Holly just swish? It just swished. Let's see if we can hear it swoosh. Because I just heard it a second ago. This tree was planted. There you go. Man, that was a good one. Wow. Look at that live oak over there. Isn't this crazy, y'all? Wow. This branch like fell. Yeah, we got some Bradford pears growing in here. And there's my oak tree, just blowing like nuts. I'll go back to the back. I'll go back to the backyard in just a second. That limb got limb lock. Hold on, I'll be back in a second. Alright guys, hold on, just give me 1 second. Alright, I'm back. I just had to fix a limb locked branch. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, it's picking up. It's picking up. This branch came off. Looks like it came off yesterday. My zoom in is kind of blurry. Here's this Bradford pear. They are not very good trees. Flowers stink and they're weak trees. You see how they come off on the same point in the trunk? Oh wow, look at that. This is my Yopon Holly right here. As you can see, has a little hole in it. Because there were so many branches grown on these trees. They were grown so low, so one person came here and just trimmed it all up. And here's this Yopon Holly side. This is it's a shrub. It can grow many hollies in it. I don't know what I just said, There's an oak tree right there and one there. I'm gonna pull this one up. And I'm gonna keep that one. It's gonna grow up there. So we might have a new tree into our tree family. So there's gonna be a new tree in my front yard. There's a lady walking her dog. Ignore that. Man, look at that. Look at that. This is my bald cypress, the possible dying tree. First of all, it's not dying. It's actually coming back kind of well. You see all the green leaves? Yeah, it's coming back, but the dead branches have gotten bigger. Now that tree has bigger dead branches now because all the limbs came off. But oh my gosh, this wind is crazy. All right, guys, I want to go ahead and go back to the backyard, so I'll see y'all in a couple minutes here. All right, we're back in the back here. There's my dog, Harriet. My dead tree is still blowing. I had to, the spark came off here. Man, that mulberry's going insane. All right, there's she's going to the bathroom. My dog's going to the bathroom. You can see my front yard from here. All right, guys, I'm going to end this video here, so thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace out, y'all.